Good morning, student. In this session, I will teach you IC engine and compressor. Okay, IC engine and compressor. This is your 70 marks university paper, and it is also very important for your GATE and engineering services exam. So here we will discuss the whole syllabus in this section. Okay. Your whole syllabus is divided into 5 units. Unit 1, Unit 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each and every unit is very important. So take this class very seriously and pay your full attention. In Unit 1, you will study Introduction of IC engine. Their nomenclature means name of the different parts used in IC engine, 4-stroke engine, 2-stroke engine. Here you will mainly study what is the difference between 4-stroke and 2-stroke engine. This is very important for your exam point of view, and the question will directly come in your exam that what is the difference between 4 and 2-stroke engine. Next we will move in SI and CI engine. This is also very important. In question they will ask what is the difference between SI and CI engine. You will have to write 5 to 7 points by dividing SI and CI engine by this line. Okay. In next section you will study Otto cycle and diesel cycle and dual cycle. This two cycle is very important. It is in your GATE exam also. So this is very important your university exam as well as your all competitive exam. They will ask in your university, they will ask derive the efficiency of Otto cycle, or they will ask derive the efficiency of diesel cycle. Yeah, they will give a numerical on Otto cycle or diesel cycle. So in this class, in next class, sorry, we will study the efficiency of Otto cycle and efficiency of diesel cycle and their numerical also. Third cycle is dual cycle. In this is a combination of two cycle, Otto cycle and diesel cycle. Here we will study the dual cycle. Okay. In unit 2 we will move further. In unit 2 here we will study what is SI engine, how the combustion in SI engine takes place, what is abnormal combustion in SI engine. This is most important point of this unit. This is most important topic of this unit. You will get the direct question in your university from this topic. They will simply ask what is the abnormal combustion in SI engine, what are the parameters which affect the combustion in SI engine. In my lecture, we will study in details about the abnormal combustion. Next topic is carburetor. We will study the function of carburetors, different parts used in carburetors. Again, then we will study the battery and magneto ignition system. The conclusion of Unit 2 is that in Unit 2 we will study the combustion process in SI engine. What are the factors which affect the combustion process in SI engine? Similarly, in Unit 3 we will study the CI engine, about the combustion phenomena in CI engine, similarly as we studied here in SI engine. So here we will study the combustion in CI engine, ignition delay, knock, fuel injection system, exhaust emission and its control. In this unit, this topic, knock, is very important in your university exam. They will simply ask what is knocking, how will you reduce the knock in CI engine. Okay. Then you will study fuel injection system in CI engine. Different fuel injection system used in CI engine. Here in this unit you will study fuel injection system. Okay. Moving to next topic, student. Here we will study the exhaust emission and how you will control this exhaust emission so that you can increase the efficiency. Okay. Moving to next unit, unit number 4. In my class I will take this topic in the last, but here I am discussing what will you study in unit number 4. Here you will study about the engine cooling system, lubrication system, how will you lubricate your engine, different fuels for SI and CI engine. In this topic you will study what is the requirement of fuel, what should be the property for fuel used in SI and CI engine. Okay. How you will decrease the knock tendency by using suitable fuel for SI and CI engine, you will also study here. Next important topic of this unit is testing and performance of engine. Okay. Here Morse key test, is very important for your exam. Okay. So in unit 4 you will study engine cooling system, different lubrication system, fuel for SI and CI engine, and then performance characteristics. In this performance characteristics you will mainly study Morse key test. Okay. So in unit number 4, this is very important unit. Okay. In this unit you will mainly study the compressor, as your subject is IC engine and compressor. So this whole unit is about the compressor. So here keep in mind that you will get minimum 2 question in your university exam from this unit. So this unit is very important for your university examination. Okay. In unit 5 you will study about the compressor. What is the function of compressor in engine? What is the classification of compressor, like as a rotary compressor, reciprocating compressor, and one more, axial compressor. Okay. You will study with the help of diagram about these compressors in this unit. So beta don't skip this unit. Okay. This is very important for your university examination and also very important for your competitive examination. You will get 5 to 3 questions, minimum 3 to 5 questions in all the competitive exam from this unit. So in this unit you will study the compressor, their classification, what is the function of compressor, rotary compressor, reciprocating compressor, axial flow compressor, and single and multi-stage compressor. You will study here multi-stage compressor, means compressor is carried out in more than one stage. In this topic you will study why we use multi-stage compressor, why we compress in a more than one stage, and here you will here you will get a derivation also. You will get a derivation also, and this derivation is very important in your university examination. They will simply ask for a two-stage compressor, what is the intermediate pressure, what is the intermediate pressure, derive it. And they will ask for minimum work done in a two-stage compressor, what is the intermediate pressure. So in last year they simply asked the derivation for your intermediate pressure in two-stage compressor. So this is very important for your university examination. Now you will further move surging and stalling. You will study what is surging, what is stalling in compressor. This is also very important for your university examination and as well as for your competitive exam. So overall in IC engine and compressor you will study 5 unit, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in all these units you are not going to skip even a single unit, because you will get all the information about the IC engine. Okay, thank you.